Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is for today, Wednesday through Friday, June 28 to 30, 2023. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have shallow LPA. This was issued around 2 a.m. Early this morning, and as of this time, as we speak, it's just to the south of Hong Kong, and it's moving towards southern China, and it remains disorganized and lower chances of developing into tropical cyclones. And the monsoon trough is well established across Luzon, Visayas, and Mimaropa, so expect some thunderstorms with light southwesterly winds blowing over these areas. So watch out for flooding and landslide whenever we have these severe thunderstorms occurring at your respective areas. And outside of power, it's all clear. No LPAs developing as of this time. And if we take a look at the latest fast animation, so here you go. The position of the LPA is somewhere here, as it moves towards the northwest in the general direction of southern China. It remains a shallow or weak LPA as it moves towards southern China, and you can clearly see here in the afternoon, particularly in the early evening, this thunderstorm blossoming across the country from Luzon, Visayas down to northern Mindanao. But these are short-lived system. It will just occur for the next 30 minutes to about 2 hours maximum. And as we look at the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, you can clearly see here the developing thunderstorm activity in close view across the Philippine Islands. So watch out for possible small tornadoes, gusnadoes, as well as small hail occurring within these severe thunderstorms. We can clearly see here some very strong ones across areas of Quirino, also over Central Luzon. And so far, that's the latest from the zoom-in satellite animation. Now, let's go now to the latest ECMWF wind and pressure forecast, courtesy of windy.com. By tomorrow afternoon, Thursday, the shallow LPA is somewhere here. Southwesterly winds, light southwesterly winds occurring across Palawan, Mindoro, and the western sections of Luzon, while southeasterly winds across the coastal waters of eastern Luzon. And variable winds will prevail across the country with calm conditions during the early morning and early evening. And the monsoon trough is very well established by tomorrow afternoon here across our country, being thunderstorms still. And Friday afternoon, same situation. Calm to variable winds will be expected across the country, with light winds from the southwest across the western sections of Luzon. And Saturday, first day of July, still the same situation. Southwesterly to southerly winds will be expected across the eastern, while calm to variable winds will be expected all throughout the country. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday, we expect more afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms to occur. Almost majority of our country will be experiencing this kind of rainfall activity brought about by local thunderstorms. So watch out again for possible flooding, landslides, as well as lightning strikes, small tornadoes or gusnadoes, as well as possible small hail occurring during a severe thunderstorms in any part of the country. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear every afternoon for the next 3 days until Saturday, first day of July. And before we leave you, here's again the latest Global Tropics Hazards Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for week 2 until week 3. And for week 2, valid July 5 to July 11, the Philippines will remain under normal climate, while from the Philippine Sea all across the Micronesia or the Caroline Islands, including Marianas, there will be a more than 20% probability of a tropical cyclone formation. It's quite low, so we expect nothing will happen during the second week. While on week 3, valid July 12 to July 18, much different situation will occur across the Philippine Islands, Visayas, Mimaropa, Bicol region, rest of Luzon will be under normal climate. It means fair weather with usual afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, and it will become more than 50% probability across Mindanao because of possible monsoon trough or localized thunderstorms or severe thunderstorms. And over extreme northern Luzon, particularly northern Cagayan, Batanes, there will be more than 50% of below average rainfall. And maybe this is now the first impact of the El Nino. But like I said, majority of the Philippine Islands will feel the effects of the El Nino phenomenon beginning September, since it began to form just this month, June. So we expect in the next couple of months or next 3 months or so, the effects of this below average rainfall will kick in, and we can already see here the effects across the middle section of the tropics, from Hawaii, Central Pacific, all the way across the Philippine Sea on week 3 of July. That's July 12 to 18. While near the equator, more rainfall will be expected here to the south of Hawaii, up to the west coast of just smaller areas of western portions of South America. Okay, so that's the latest from the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook. It's good to see that we don't have any high probability of a tropical cyclone formation for the next 2 to 3 weeks. But it will be a different situation from mid to the end of July. So we are going to focus our attention on that situation. But so far, that's the latest for this Wednesday evening. And we will return again in the next couple of days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel.